Good morning and welcome to South Africa. We are at Kosi Bay on the border between South Africa and Mozambique. This is the beach camp at Bhanga Nek. We're staying here for a few days. We've already had a really eventful time on the way in here on the sand roads. We managed to smash up one of the cars, take the front bumper off, so that's on the trailer over there. And not ideal, but the car still goes, so we haven't got to tow that out, which is awesome. This is our camp, so we've got first little camp in the tree over there, just a thatched hut. It's my parents' cottage over here, and then my brothers over there. Today my brothers have gone fishing already. This morning they were up really early, so hopefully they'll catch something and then we'll be heading out.
Come on, but now you must go, because I'm going to get stuck.
Not sure, hold on a second.
And then right?
Fuck! I don't know!
That's not right.
No.
Okay, over.
There. I think we missed that right turn.
Give us some feedback on your directions, because this thing says go right, go right, go right.
Yeah, we missed the right turn.
Sorry.
Say that again, please. On that track there.
Come on.
Go right. That's left.
Yeah, I went left. I'm cutting across country.
Oh my god.
It's fine.
Okay, now let's go this way, and then we'll hopefully get back to that track.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Life's good, getting old now, so what? Things changing, I guess I gotta grow up. Nothing better than having your first headline show coming out and the whole town shows up. But shit's not how it used to be, and that brainwash not getting through to me. I go to school, yeah, I got a job, but could really care less if my shoes are clean now. Let's build a fan base from the ground up, cause to beat the odds, you gotta round up. Nowadays, everybody too stiff, nice job, got cash, but forgot how to have fun. Not me, not I, never will be. All grown up, new life, but I'm still me. Chart climbing, yeah, the top rhymer is still putting hot sauce in my top ramen. Go, go, go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, 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 go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, 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 go. Treating each day like my last one. Learn things you won't see up in the classroom. Each step is progress, like what's a bad move? Shit, I don't know, I ain't never had one. 10-year degree and can't use it. Promise to win and these kids just losing. It's just me, but I'm feeling like you're teaching us the wrong damn thing. No Jay-Z blueprint, I'd rather do what I love and keep spitting. We all try to eat, we all try to get it, but I'm staying true. If I can't do that, then I'll be just another brainwashed kid trying to fit in. That's why I'm trying to make it in this rap biz and make a path for the ones that never had shit. Take flight, we rising above. I never follow a script, cause I'ma do what I love. It's like that. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, 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 go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, 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 go. Life's short, so I never take a look back. Slip up, get stuck, moving backwards. Some say it don't matter where your heart's at, but to me it's a factor. Went broke, so I'm working up in retail. Still broke, guess rap is the new plan. Ex said that I need to find a new job. Told her that she need to find a new man. Mom said that she got me if it falls through. Told her if it don't, then it's all yours. First show, didn't see a single hand up. Leave now, whole crowd yelling encore. Bottom line, can't make it if you don't try. And don't ever let your dreams get let down. In high school, man, they tried to give me F's then. Guess what, I don't really give a F now. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, 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 go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, 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 go.
Hey, stuck.
This isn't gonna work. Oh, the board's too short.
Where's all my cords?
They snapped. Here's a big one.
No, mine were all just as big.
Yes.
One cake. It was the whole day. I put it in the beach bag. I was like, a day with the nicest. Candice?
Yeah.
Guys, we need another strap. It's too short.
No, reverse.
I can reverse.
Okay, guys, we are stuck.
Oh, look at all of them.
Man, it'll be out in a second.
Just get that far.
We've got a team of like 20. Alright, done.
Guys, I did that in neutral. What a waste.
You're lucky we had those tow ropes hooked up, eh? We've had an awesome day. Gone down to River Mouth, done some snorkeling, went for a swim in the ocean, and now we are heading down to my brother's boat to go for an evening booze cruise. But the thing is, we have to drive down there, and it's pretty crazy through the bush. But here we go, there's a little bit of 4x4 action coming up. Through the mud, and this is the Kosi third lake, third lake. And we're here. There's a lake, the boat, and then tonight we are going to hunt down some turtles on the beach, just to look at them laying eggs and stuff, which will be very cool.
Hello, girlies! Hey, hey, hey. What's this? Run the whole way along the beach by yourself?
Good morning. Another early morning for us, really up bright and early. Today we are packing up. Today we're packing up and heading to a different place, a place called Sundaba. What an awesome night last night. Went down to the beach and watching the turtles lay eggs. It was absolutely incredible, really special thing to do.